Hi children. Before topic I explained about the addition and subtraction together. Okay, if he gave one sum addition and subtraction, how to do, what we have to do, I explain. Okay, today this class I explain about the relation between addition and subtraction. What is the relation? In between both we have to see. Okay, now today we are discussing about, today's topic is relationship between addition and subtraction subtraction. Okay, see, for example, 9367 minus 4232. Okay children, he gave directly 9367 minus 4232. First he gave subtraction, means we have to do the subtraction. Then after subtraction, whatever we got the difference, from the difference we should add, subtract, we will get the same. Whatever first it will be is there, same we will get. That should be, we have to make it. See here, bigger number to smaller number we have to subtract. 2, 3, 2, 4. See, we are doing subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, we will get. See children, whatever this answer we will get, this one answer we will call is a difference. This answer we will call difference. This difference we can write first. Okay, which one is there? 5135. This is the difference answer. Then whatever subtract, it will be same place we have to write. 2, 3, 2, 4. Then we will both add. We will get 7, 6, 3, 9. See, first number we got. Means what? Whenever we are doing the subtraction of the two numbers, then we will get the difference. From this difference, same, from the difference and subtract we will add, we will get the same number. Before what we are subtracting, that the same number we will get. This is the relationship between the addition and subtraction. One more accounts. This is one more question I will explain. See once. He won't directly, he won't give. Second one, subtract 7365 from 432. See here, subtract 7365 from 8432. See, from this number we have to subtract this number. From this number we have to subtract this number. Some children, they will do mistake. They will first this one will write, next one this one they will write. Not. We can compare the numbers. Which is the bigger one? That should be, it will be is a first place. Here 7000, here 8000. Which is the bigger one? 8000. 8000 should be right. We have to find 8432 and 5, 6, 3, 7. What is saying here? Subtract. Subtract means subtraction symbol. Now from 2 we can't remove 5. Then take out the borrow. From 3, 3 is become a 2. Then take it the borrow. 2 is become 12. 12 minus 5 is a 7. 12 minus 5 is a 7. Okay. Then next again from 2 6 we count. Okay now from 2 6 we count. Then we can have to take out the borrow from the before number. This before number 4 it will be 4 become a 3. Borrow 2 become a 12. Now 12 minus 6 it will be how much? 12 minus 6 is a 6. Okay, 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. And 7 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is. Okay, now next one what we have to do? Addition. So what which one? Check with the answer. Means what first one? 1067 we got the difference. From the difference we have to do addition. Which one? 5, 6, 3, 7. Okay, what we have to do? Check with addition. We will say then it will be 7 plus 5 is 12. Then it will carry 6 minus 2 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. 3 plus 1 4 8. Whenever we will get the answer and first number, this number and this number, whenever we will get the same, by the time only whatever we did the subtraction is correct. If the answer this one is we will get the wrong, then whatever we did the subtraction is a not correct. That is we did wrong. Okay children. The next one, see subtraction he gave. Subtract. One more the thing also he will give. Different also he will give. The subtraction he will give different methods. See, find the difference between the two numbers and check with addition if you will. See, suppose find the difference find the difference between 8,432 and 6,321 and check with addition we will say. Check with addition. They will say check with addition. Okay. See, check with addition means first we have to do difference. Difference meaning what? Subtraction. Difference meaning what? Subtraction. Whatever which one will subtract? We have 8,432, 6,321 he gave. Which is a bigger number? First we can write 8,432 is a bigger number. Smaller number is 6,321. What is the difference? Difference means what I told just now. Difference means that is a subtraction. We have to do subtraction. Then 2 minus 1 is a 1. 3 minus 1 2 is a 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 6 it will be is a 2. Difference how much we got? 2,111 we got. Okay, how much we got the difference? Difference, this one we will call it will be is a difference. Before plus also I say difference. Difference means subtraction. We have to do subtraction from the bigger number to smaller number. Then next one what you do? Check with addition. Check with addition what I told. Then this answer we can write here 2,111. Subtract whatever it will be 6,321. Then check with addition means we will apply the addition symbol. 2, 3, 4, 8. 8,432 we got it to be same. Okay, like this way if he will give the question, we have to do the same process. Direct subtraction if you will give out the same process and subtract from one number to another number. Do check with addition means this process only. Find the difference between the two numbers and check with addition means we have to this process only. Three methods we will give with the check with the addition if we will say. See, next thing. Only I explain about on the board only 4-digit numbers. 2 it will be also 4-digit numbers also. He will give 4-digit number, 3 digits number also. It will be same process. Then 2 same 3-digit numbers also. 2 numbers, 2 numerical number, same 3 digits also the same process, 2 digit numbers also same process. If we give 1 4 digit number, 1 2 digit number also, it will be a same process, but it will be we have to do from the arranging the numbers we have to do, then from the right to left we can write. Then first one we can, as it is we can write bigger number up, whenever we are doing the second number writing from right to left we can do, we can write, then process it will be easy same way. Okay children, thank you.